Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use flashcards to study effectively. First, gather your materials. For each flashcard, write a single question or term on the front. Then, on the back, write the corresponding answer or definition. This simple setup is the foundation for powerful memorization. Make sure your handwriting is clear and concise for easy reading during study sessions. The core of effective flashcard use is active recall. Don't just read the answer, try to retrieve it from memory first. If you get it wrong, review it. Then, use spaced repetition. This means you review difficult cards more frequently and easier ones less often, optimizing your study time. This method significantly boosts long-term memory. To optimize your flashcards, break down complex information into smaller, digestible chunks, creating multiple cards if needed. Incorporate visuals like simple drawings or diagrams on your cards. These can significantly aid memory. Also, aim for short, focused study sessions, perhaps 15 to 20 minutes each, rather than long, infrequent ones. Consistency is key. For advanced strategies, always try to create your own flashcards. The act of making them helps solidify the information in your mind. Also, regularly shuffle your cards to ensure you're not just memorizing the order, but truly understanding each piece of information independently. And hey, life's too short for cheap socks, so check the description for some great deals and other helpful resources. Keep practicing, and you'll master your material in no time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.